Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by class theta. So today's question which we will be discussing is what function do capillaries serves in the cardiovascular system. So we have some options here. Option A, carry blood to the brain. Option B, return blood to the lungs. Option C, help control body temperature. Option D, replace the old blood cells. So the answer of the question is, the best answer is option C, helps control body temperature, because the best answer is capillaries plays a crucial role in helping the control body temperature. They are the smallest blood vessels in the cardiovascular system and are responsible for facilitating an exchange of nutrient, gases and waste products between the blood and surrounding tissues. This exchange substance occur this substance changes occur basically through the thin wall of capillaries, allowing oxygen and nutrients to be delivered to the cell and carbon dioxide and waste product to be removed from cells. So that's the answer. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll be back as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.